Movements in the coordinate grid. In the grid at the right, the point -6 and 5 moves 4 units to the right. It ends up at -2 and 5. Now move these points 4 units to the right. -5 and 1. So we use our little graph chart here. And we first want to find the x-coordinate of -5. So it would be right here. And the y-coordinate 1. So we place our dot here since it lines up with 1, as you can see. Now it's asking us to move these units 4 units to the right. So we're going to move 4 units to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. And as you can see, we ended up at the x-coordinate of -1. So our new x-coordinate is -1, and we're still on the same y-axis, y-coordinate. So we still keep the same y-coordinate of 1. So our new coordinates would be -1 and 1. Okay, let's go to the next set. Look for -2 x-coordinate. It's right here. And then -3 y-coordinate. So we put it right here since it lines up right here. See, as you can see, it lines up with -3, the y-coordinate. So we want to move this point 4 units to the right. So we do 1, 2, 3, 4. And we end up at the x-coordinate of 2. And we still have the same y-coordinate of -3. So our new x-coordinate would be 2. And our y-coordinate is still the same, -3. Right here, as you can see. Okay, let's go to our next set of points. We have 3 and -7. So our x-coordinate 3 is right here. -7. So we got to go down, 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 down. That's our y-coordinate, -7. As you can see, it lines up, as you can see. Now it wants you to move 4 units to the right, this point. So we move 1, 2, 3, 4. And we end up at the x-coordinate of 7. So our new x-coordinate would be 7. And we're still on the same y-coordinate of -7, so that doesn't change. So -7 would be our y-coordinate. So our new coordinates would be 7 and -7. And the question is asking us, how do the x-coordinates and the y-coordinate of the points change as they move 4 units to the right? Well, pretty much the x-coordinates changed, but the y-coordinates didn't, because we're just moving 4 units to the right. So let's now move on to a few exercise problems so we understand the concept of what are we doing here.